everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Well, it finally happened. I got busted upside the head. I'm gonna have to take a hiatus away from the workbench for a little while. I was gassing Amanda's Explorer in the rain, and as I started around the car, my feet went one way and the rest of me went another, and I landed in every possible wrong way you could land. I've got a really bad swollen right knee, shoulder, busted the knuckles. I have 2 broken fingers. I'm right-handed, and I broke 2 fingers on my right hand. Sprained both wrists and did a face plant, obviously. I've got CT scans scheduled for the facial and these bones right above my eye here coming up, and a light concussion. So without my wrists and my hands, it's kind of hard to do anything at the bench. And as much as I love my hobby and love sharing, that's been harder on me, I think, than the injury in some ways. But I'm really achy. I'm really hurting a little bit too, so I really don't feel like working on anything. But do me a favor, say a prayer when you think about it. I really want to get this healed up and kind of back to some sense of normalcy as quick as possible. This really stinks. It really does. But while I got you, let me just say this to my subscribers and supporters. Thank you so much. You guys mean more to me than you know. Just your views and your comments let me know that you appreciate it and you want to see more. And it's great encouragement, and I do really appreciate it. You guys mean a lot. I've made some great new friends, and I've met many of you at several shows and swap meets. And again, it really means a lot. But most importantly, remember to say a prayer. Prayer works. It really does. I've seen it in my life. And I would really appreciate it, because again, this really stinks. I want to get back at it. But guys, thanks again so much. God bless you in advance, and I'll say it again. But Merry Christmas, great time of year. Love you guys. God bless. I'll see you soon, hopefully in the next video. Thanks.